Welcome to Customizing Dynamics 365, where we move beyond simple data entry and show you how to truly build the system that supports your business. In this course, we are not going to write complex code. Instead, we are using low-code tools to transform raw data. You will learn the foundation, building solution packages to containerize and move your work cleanly. We'll show you how to model data with customized entities, our data tables, and fields. We don't just enter data, we structure how your team interacts with it using intuitive forms, professional views, and professional charts. Once the data structure is set, we build relationships to connect critical business information, like linking multiple employee contacts to a single company account. We then layer on advanced logic, automating your business with specific service level agreements, SLAs, and utilizing geolocation to visualize physical addresses directly within your records. This complete flow transforms a raw platform into a purpose-built business engine. We'll even walk through creating special roll-up and calculated fields that instantly analyze your results. This course finalizes your understanding of how all these powerful components fit together, from foundational logic to advanced analytics. It empowers you to stop fighting the platform and start effectively customizing the Dynamics 365 engine to drive your specific success. So, let's dive right in and learn how to build the solution you need. Welcome to the heart of Dynamics 365 customization. Think of a solution package as your digital suitcase. It's where every change you make, whether it's a simple data field or a complex automated workflow, lives so it can travel safely between environments. Without a solution, your hard work is just loose papers in the wind. With one, everything is packed, organized, and ready for the big move from your development sandbox to the live production world. Inside this suitcase, you'll find the blueprints of your app. First, the schemas define your data tables. Then the user interface determines how the app actually looks to your team. Analytics turn that data into beautiful charts, and security ensures only the right people have the keys. You'll work in two modes, unmanaged and managed. Unmanaged is your open workshop, where you can add, tinker, and delete. Once you're finished, you export it as a managed solution. This locks the suitcase, protecting your app from accidental changes once it's installed in the live environment. It's the safest way to grow your business platform. Welcome to the heart of your Dynamics 365 system, the entity. If you've ever used Excel, you already know what an entity is. It's just like a single tab in a spreadsheet. It's a table designed to store one specific type of information, like your list of customers, products, or support cases. You'll work with two main types. Business entities are the ready-made tables Microsoft gives you, like accounts, which you can easily rename to companies to fit your style. Custom entities are the ones you build from scratch to solve your unique business puzzles, like tracking event registrations. Inside these tables, we have fields, which act as your columns. You can use text fields for notes, option sets for simple drop-down menus, or lookups to link one record to another, like connecting a person to their company. For the real magic, use calculated and roll-up fields. These are like built-in Excel formulas that automatically do the math for you, summing up invoice totals or calculating discounts instantly. Now that your data is organized, it's time to decide how your team will actually see and use it. We do this through forms and views. Think of a form as the window into a specific record. To keep things clean and simple, you can use tabs and sections to group information so users aren't overwhelmed by a wall of data. You can even add subgrids, which let you see related information, like viewing a customer's entire order history without ever leaving their profile page. And for those moments when you're in a rush, quick create forms pop down from the top of the screen to let you log new data in seconds. But what if you want to see the big picture? That's where views come in. These are filtered lists, like high priority cases, that show you exactly what needs your attention. To make that data even more powerful, we turn those lists into charts. With a quick pie chart or bar graph, you can instantly visualize your sales pipeline or see exactly where your leads are coming from. It's all about turning raw data into clear, actionable insights. Isolated business data isn't very useful. We need to define how entities relate. Look at our whiteboard, and we'll break down the 3 main relationship types. First up is one-to-many, one-to-N, the most common connection. A single parent company has many children, or employee contacts. We simply reverse that view for the many-to-one type. Those same many employees all belong to that one company. Now, things get more complex with many-to-many, N-to-N, where multiple records on both sides relate. Picture a project involving many distinct consultants, while each of those consultants is also working on multiple projects. Finally, look at cascading rules. These automated rules are critical. When you delete a parent record, like a company, you can tell the system to automatically delete many children, which keeps your data tidy and prevents orphaned records. Nana gives it a check mark. To truly automate your business, Dynamics 365 offers advanced tools that go far beyond simple data entry. We are looking at service level agreements, or SLAs, which help you track critical commitments to your customers. For example, if you promise a gold customer a response within 4 hours, an SLA automatically starts a visible timer control directly on the record. If 3 hours pass without action, the system sends a warning email to a manager. It can even automatically pause the timer if you change the status to waiting for customer feedback. Next, we look at geolocation and mapping. By enabling this, Dynamics 365 integrates directly with Bing Maps to take a physical address and plot it directly onto the record form. This is incredibly useful for field service teams or sales reps planning their daily routes. Finally, review our simple customization flow summary path, which takes you from creating a solution to adding final visuals, ensuring you follow the correct path to effectively customize your system. To truly master Dynamics 365 customization, you must first secure the foundation. We start with solutions, the digital suitcases that organize all your changes. We then pack them with customized entities, our data tables, and fields. We structure how your data is entered using forms and how it's analyzed using professional views and charts. Once the data structure is set, we build relationships to connect information, for instance, by linking multiple employee contacts to a single company account. We then layer on advanced logic, automating the business with specific service level agreements, SLAs, that track commitments, and utilizing geolocation to visualize physical addresses directly within your records. This complete flow transforms a raw platform into a purpose-built business engine.